Hi everyone! This is again Lizelle, and for today is gagawa tayo ng special pudding gawa sa mga tira-tirang tinapay o sa mga tinapay na nabili nyo pero ayaw nyo or hindi nyo gusto yung lasa. So I'll show you what I did in just 2 minutes. Okay? Tara! And yes, for the ingredients, we have tinapay, pineapple, condensed milk, vanilla, raisins, at saka yung evap milk or yung fresh milk. And then, first is kukuha tayo ng ating bowl or container na pwede natin paglagyan yung hiniwa-hiwa natin na tinapay. And once done, yung paghiwa is ilagyan na natin ng 2 cups of evap milk or fresh milk. Alright? So, ayan. And then, once done, is ilagay na din natin yung ating condensed milk. So, kung ayaw nyo ng mas matamis, is you can do like 3/4 lang ng condensed milk. Alright? So, after that, is ilagay natin yung 1 cup ng raisins. If gusto nyo naman ng mas maraming raisins, you can do that one as well. You can do like 2 cups of raisins. At saka yung pineapple, at saka ihalo lang natin sila ng maigi. Okay? And kung sa tingin nyo din na kulang yung liquid ng ating bread, yung ating ibibake, is idagdagan lang ng konting evap. Alright? So, ihalo lang natin at saka once ready is i-ready na din natin yung ating baking pan. So, kukuha lang tayo ng mga kunting patak lang ng olive oil or yung cooking oil at saka ipahid lang natin siya ng maigi sa buong baking pan. Alright? So, once ready is ilagay na din natin yung ating mix na ingredients at saka i-scatter lang natin siya or ilagay lang siya natin ng maayos sa buong baking pan. Alright? So, by the way guys, for you to learn or for you to know the exact measurements sa recipe na to is ilalagay ko lahat sa description sa video na to. So, please just take a look with it. Alright? And saka, once ready is ready na din siyang i-bake. So, for baking guys, it will take 50 minutes or 45 minutes para maluto yung ating pudding. And once ready is ready na din siyang kainin. Thank you so much for watching guys, and yep, if you love this recipe, please like and share or leave some comments below. And yep, I hope you have a good day. Bye!